It's upside down.
An urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawaras. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 326, effective until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawaras. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 326 has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, Columbiana, and Tuscarawaras. An urgent weather message